Crafty Ponies, what's it all about? We have designed two types of realistic soft toy ponies and lots of accessories which can be used on both ponies. The first product is a top quality award-winning craft kit for you to make your own pony with a realistic miniature working saddle, a realistic miniature working bridle and lots of accessories. The second product is a gorgeous award-winning plush toy pony, complete with realistic miniature working leatherette saddle and bridle which look and work just like the real thing. The concept behind Crafty Ponies is to teach children using the soft toy ponies and the videos on the educational website. We teach children about horses and ponies. We have invested much time and money making sure that all our products are identical miniature versions of full-size horse equipment. How we teach the children is through instructional videos using the miniature horse equipment. We also use our own riding school, Hebden Bridge Equestrian Centre, to inform and educate children about horses and ponies. They watch the instructional videos and then practice the lessons on their own Crafty Ponies. They also log into our social media channels for regular pony news, videos, photos and cartoons. Why buy a Crafty Pony? 1. It's a beautiful soft toy pony in its own right. 2. It will keep your children amused for hours. 3. It will teach your children about horses and ponies. And 4. You can be assured of its quality as it has won these awards. Bye for now. All the best from the Crafty Ponies team.